Students, in this I am explaining some quadratic equation and expressions question. If one root of the equation is double the other, then we have to find the condition. So one root I am taking alpha means another root is 2 alpha. So we have to use the condition for. So first I am doing sum of the roots, means alpha plus 2 alpha, okay, is minus b by a. That implies, so 3 alpha equal to minus b by a. Next, product of the roots. Product is alpha beta, means alpha into 2 alpha equal to c by a. Okay, so 2 alpha square equal to c by a. So from this I am taking alpha equal to minus b by 3a and substituting in this. 2 into alpha is this minus b by 3a whole square equal to c by a. Okay, so if you simplify means 2b square by 9a square equal to c by a. 1a cancels, that implies 2b square equal to 9a. C is the condition we got. Okay, first one. Okay, next another question is, if find the value of a in which one root is square of the other. So one root is I am taking alpha means another root is alpha square. So sum of the roots is alpha plus alpha square equal to minus b by a means 6 by 8. So 2 3s are 2 4s. If you cross multiply means 4 alpha plus 4 alpha square minus 3 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. You can find the roots. So 4 3s are 12. Okay, so you should get a 6 2s are 12. 6 minus 2 4. So 4 alpha square plus 6 alpha minus 2 alpha minus 3 equal to 0. So 2 alpha you take common means 2 alpha plus 3 minus 1 you take common means 2 alpha plus 3 equal to 0. So alpha equal to 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. So next to product, alpha into alpha square equal to a by 8. Okay, so alpha cube equal to a by 8. So if you substitute alpha is 1 by 2 means 1 by 8 equal to a by 8. Okay, so a equal to 1 is the one solution. If you substitute minus 3 by 2 means minus 3 by 2 whole cube equal to a by 8. So minus means you will get negative only. Minus 27 by 8 equal to a